10:30 in the morning. I just got back from my run, so I'm making a limoncello spritz using this limoncello straight from Ravello. So measurements are 3-part Prosecco, 2-part limoncello, 1-part soda water. So I'm just going to eyeball it all. So there's the Prosecco. Come on. Ooh. Some ice. There's a small glass. Prosecco in. I'm gonna put some more Prosecco in a second. And there we go. Ooh, that smells good. That much. And then that much. And then a nice lemon. Ooh. And we have our limoncello spritz. Let's take a taste. Mix up a little bit more. That was a good way to start the day. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.